New Delhi, the bustling capital of India, is a city where ancient traditions blend seamlessly with modern life. Its streets pulse with vibrant colors, sounds, and aromas reflecting the diverse cultures that have shaped its identity over centuries. From grand Mughal monuments to lively markets and contemporary art galleries, New Delhi offers a captivating mix of old and new. The city's rich history is evident in its impressive architecture, such as the Red Fort and Humayun's tomb, while its vibrant neighborhoods showcase the dynamic spirit of its people. As we begin our journey through New Delhi, let's uncover the many experiences that make this city truly unforgettable. Among New Delhi's most celebrated attractions are its iconic historical landmarks, each telling a story from a different era. The Red Fort stands as a testament to Mughal architecture and was once the main residence of the emperors. Qutub Minar, with its soaring tower, showcases the artistry of early Islamic rule and remains one of the tallest brick minarets in the world. Humayun's tomb, often considered a precursor to the Taj Mahal, beautifully blends Persian and Indian design elements. Exploring these sites offers a fascinating glimpse into centuries of history and architectural innovation, setting the stage for the city's spiritual and cultural wonders. Continuing our exploration, New Delhi's renowned religious landmarks offer a window into the city's spiritual heart. The Lotus Temple, with its striking flower like architecture, provides a tranquil space for meditation and reflection. Jama Masjid, one of the largest mosques in India, stands as a symbol of the city's rich Mughal heritage. Akshardham Temple impresses with its intricate carvings and grand scale, inviting visitors to experience traditional Indian culture and spirituality. These sacred sites offer moments of peace and reverence seamlessly woven into the city's energetic atmosphere. New Delhi's vibrant markets and diverse shopping districts invite you to immerse yourself in the city's lively culture. Chandni Chowk, one of the oldest markets, is a maze of narrow lanes filled with colorful stalls selling spices, textiles, and traditional sweets, where the aroma of street food mingles with the sounds of bustling crowds. In contrast, Connaught Place offers a modern shopping experience with colonial architecture and wide boulevards lined with shops, cafes, and boutiques. Whether you're searching for handcrafted jewelry, intricate fabrics, or local delicacies, exploring these districts reveals the city's dynamic energy and rich traditions, leading naturally to its green spaces and cultural highlights. Beyond its bustling streets, Delhi features a blend of tranquil green spaces and cultural landmarks. Lodhi Gardens provides a peaceful retreat with lush lawns and historic tombs perfect for leisurely walks or quiet reflection. India Gate stands as a prominent monument, surrounded by expansive lawns where families and friends gather, especially in the evenings. The National Museum offers a journey through India's heritage with a rich collection of artifacts spanning centuries. These destinations invite both relaxation and discovery, paving the way for the city's unique experiences that await visitors. Delhi's tapestry of experiences ensures every visitor finds something memorable. Savoring the city's diverse cuisine introduces a blend of flavors, from traditional street food to innovative fusion dishes. Art lovers can explore galleries featuring both contemporary and classical works, reflecting the city's creative spirit. As night falls, Delhi's vibrant nightlife comes alive with energetic bars, music venues, and cultural performances. Each of these experiences adds to the city's distinctive character, leaving visitors with lasting memories of their time in New Delhi.